start, let us pray and feel the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good afternoon, everyone. Before you sit down, please pick up the pieces of paper under chairs and table and put it inside your bag or in the trash can. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, you may sit down. Yesterday, we talked about what? Yes? Micah? It's all about?
Cell.
Yes, that is correct. It's all about cell. Now, what is cell? Alright.
The cell is the basic function of body.
Nice try. But the cell is the basic unit of life. Are we clear? Are we clear?
Yes.
Alright. For you to be able to remember or recall what we discussed yesterday about cell, I have here a few questions for you. First question. It is the fluid that fills the cell. What part of cell is it? Yes?
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm, that is correct. Next question is, it is the powerhouse of the cell. It is what we call
Mitochondria.
mitochondria. Next question. It is the control center of the cell or what we call the brain of the cell. What is it?
Nucleus.
That's correct. Very good. Nucleus. Next question. It is to collect protein from the ER and the plasmic reticulum. It is
Golgi bodies.
Golgi bodies. That's correct. Now, last, it is the function. Its function is to help the process of dividing the cell in the animals. It is centriole. That's correct. Alright, hope you really learned what we discussed yesterday about the cell and its function. Now, let's proceed and let's go to our topic. But before that, I have a game for you. You know the game, The Boat is Sinking? Do you know the game, The Boat is Sinking?
Yes.
Yes, but that is not our game for today. Our game is entitled, The Cell is Sinking. The cell is sinking is like the boat is sinking. I need 3 representatives from each group. Then you will go here in front, and for the total of 15 students, you will make a big circle in the middle to form a cell. And when I say the boat, turn around and you will group yourself into what number will I say. Okay, example. Right. The cell is sinking, group yourself into 5. Okay, then you will group into 5. And I have a questions for you to answer. First question. What have you noticed in our game? The students were?
Divided into groups.
Alright, the students were divided into groups. And now what mathematical operation can you relate the word divided?
Division.
Division, alright. And what part of the body undergo division? What do you think?
Cell.
Alright, that is cell. And now let's combine your answer. What do you think will be our topic for today? It's all about
Division of cell.
division of cell or cell division. Now let's define what is cell division. Cell division is the process which the cell divides, and it consists of interphase and mitosis. Let's have activity first. Okay, group 1 to group 5. First group. Group 1, you will complete the puzzle of cell cycle, which is the interphase. Next one, group 2, you will make a model of prophase. Group 3, you will make a model of metaphase. Group 4, you will make a model of anaphase. In group 5, you will make a model of telophase, and cytokinesis. You only have 15 minutes to do the activity. Now we're done with the activity. Let's discuss the work of Group 1, which is the interphase. They're about to complete the puzzle of cell cycle. In cell cycle, there are 3 stages. First is the G1 phase. Second is the S phase. Third is the G2 phase. In G1 phase, the cell organelles were duplicate or replicates. And in S phase, the DNA replicates or duplicates. Now in G2 phase, the cell is preparing to undergo mitosis. Now in mitosis, there are 4 stages. First stage is prophase, second is the metaphase, third is anaphase, fourth is telophase or cytokinesis. Let's go to group 2. In group 2, they are about to create a model of prophase. In prophase, the organelles included are the centriole, cellular membrane, and the nucleus. In nucleus, the chromatin condenses to form chromosomes, and the nuclear membrane are started to disappear, and the centriole are going on the opposite side of the cell. Next group is the group 3. They are about to make or create a model of metaphase. In metaphase, the chromosomes are lined up in the middle to form a metaphase plate, and the sister chromatids are started to separate through the spindle fiber attaches to the kinetochores or the centromere. Let's go to group 4. Group 4 are about to discuss or create a model of anaphase. In anaphase, the sister chromatid are about to separate and go to the opposite pole of the cell through the spindle fiber. The spindle fiber will pull out the sister chromatid to the opposite pole. Go to the last group, group 5. In group 5, they are about to create a telophase, including the cytokinesis. In telophase, the the chromosomes are break down again into chromatin, and then the nucleoli are started to reform, and also the nuclear membrane are reforming, and then the cell is continues to elongate, and then in cytokinesis they are about to separate to make a new cell. And then let's recall everything from the start, from interphase to cytokinesis. In cell division, it includes the interphase, and it has 3 stages: G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. In mitosis, there are 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Let's include the cytokinesis. Now, for you are able to remember the mitosis, just remember the PMAT-C. PMAT-C. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, and cytokinesis. Now, I have another technique for you to remember the mitokinesis or the PMAT-C. Now, first is the prophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Telophase. Clear? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase or cytokinesis. Are we clear? Yes. Are we clear? Activity for you to remember, recall the mitosis. What type of cell undergoes in mitosis? It is somatic cell. Somatic cell is what we call the body cells. They are they're used to heal wounds, tissues repairs, and divide our cells to make us grow. Then also, the number of chromosomes of the parent cell in mitosis is 46 chromosomes. The number of daughter cell is 2. And the number of daughter cell is 2. And the number of chromosome of the daughter cell is 46. The number of division undergoes in mitosis is 2. What do you think will happen if our cells or our body cells are continuously grow or continuously divide? Okay? What do you think? Anyone? No one? Alright. If our cells are continuously divide or continuously grow, it can cause cancer cell. Now, what is cancer cell? Cancer cell, it is the uncontrolled division of cell, the loss of cell control, and no abnormal function of cell. And also, it can cause tumor if we don't take an action if the cell is continuously divided. Now, this is the structure of the normal cell and the abnormal cell. Take a look at that. There are different causes of cancer cell. First is heredity. It can be inherited from our parents, and also the UV radiation. Too much exposure in UV radiation, it can cause cancer cell or continuously dividing cell. And also in chemical, if we expose too much in chemical, our cell will continuously divide. Another, viruses, smoking, they are the causes of cancer cell. I will show you a short video about mitosis. I hope you enjoy this song. It is a mitosis song for you to remember the mitosis, the PMATC. Okay, let's go. Let's sing a song.
Well, if the process of mitosis leaves you in a daze, then you need to focus on each separate phase. The letters P, P, M, A, T will help you memorize them individually. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the chromosomes suddenly appear by condensing into chromatids with centromeres. Pairs of chromatids, like tiny coiled ropes, are visible if you look through a microscope. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prometaphase, that's the nuclear membrane, breaks down microtubules from the centrosomes invade, probing at the center of the chromosomes for the centromeres where they attach to kinetic cores. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up on a plate at the cell's equator, where they wait for the next phase called anaphase to start, which is when the paired chromosomes are pulled apart. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In telophase, the separated chromosomes arrive at the poles where they are surrounded by reconstituted nuclear membranes, uncoiling and diffusing into chromatin again. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
And now we're done watching the song or sing a song. let's go to our quiz. Please get one sheet of paper and answer these questions, and later you will pass it to me. Question: which of the following is not belong to the group? Again, which of the following is not belong to the group? A. Anapace. B. Interpace. C. Metapace. D. Propace. Okay. Number 2. How many daughter cells are produced in mitosis? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Again, how many daughter cells are produced in mitosis? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Next question, number 3. Mitosis is a cell division that takes place in the blank. Mitosis is a cell division that takes place in the blank. A. Body cell. B. Sex cells. C. Mitosis. D. Meiosis. Okay. Next question. What is the proper order of the stages in mitosis? Okay. What is the proper order of the stages in mitosis? A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 3, 4, and 1. C. 3, 4, 1, and 2. D. 4, 2, 3, and 1. Please take a look at the figure given. Next question. Which of the following represents the best stage to view the shape, size, and number of chromosome as seen in the figure? Look at the figure. Again, which of the following represents the best stage to view the shape, size, and number of chromosomes as seen in the figure? Letter A, anapace. B, metapace. C, propace. D, telophase. Okay, answer number 1. Which of the following is not belong to the group? The answer is B, interpace, because anapace, metapace, and propace are included in mitosis. Next question, number 2. Number 2, how many daughter cells are produced in mitosis? The answer is B, 2. 2 daughter cells are produced in mitosis. Next, mitosis is a cell division that takes place in the blank. The answer is A, body cell. Like what I said earlier, body cell undergoes mitosis. On the other hand, the meiosis undergo meiosis. In meiosis, it undergoes sex cell. And later on, what is the proper order of the stages in mitosis? Take a look at the picture, and the proper letter D, 4, 2, 3, and 1. Next, following represent the best stage to view the shape, size, and number of the chromosome as seen in the figure. What stage in mitosis can you view the shape, size, and chromosomes of the cell? Okay, take a look at the figure. It is the letter B, metaphase. As you can see, the chromosomes line up in the middle, which forms the metaphase plate. Okay, are we clear? Okay, very good. And now for our assignment, please read about the meiosis, and define the following: the sex cell, gametes, the spermatogenesis and